We want to solve cosecant squared x equal 2, finding exact solutions on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. The first thing I'm going to do is isolate the trig function. That means get it by itself, and it was a squared and a 2, so I am going to square root both sides so I can get rid of the squared, and if we square root we need to put a plus and a minus. So these two cancel and I have cosecant of x is plus or minus square root of 2. Now I'm going to think of the reciprocal function, which is sine x, and then so sine x would equal the reciprocal of this side, which would be plus or minus 1 over square root 2. Now that's a unit circle value. You may not recognize it, but we could rationalize it, and you can see that it is indeed those multiples of pi fourths, because it is plus or minus square root of 2 over 2. So our solution to this equation will be anywhere that the sine is plus or minus square root of 2 over 2, because then the cosecant would be plus or minus square root of 2. So let's go ahead and think about when is the square root 2 over 2, and we know that's on pi fourths, the sine, or 3 pi fourths, the sine is square root 2 over 2. And if we go to 5 pi fourths or 7 pi fourths, the sine is negative square root 2 over 2. So those are our solutions. Pi fourths, 3 pi fourths, 5 pi fourths, and 7 pi fourths.